Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Dogecoin. As you can see right here, Dogecoin is doing very well. We could see 2 days of green candles right here, which is very, very good to see, roughly 11-12%, which is great. And right now, Dogecoin is going through a little bit of correction. If I should move to the 4 hours time frame right here, we could see that Dogecoin couldn't make it to this major resistance right here. We could see, I need to delete this first of all. I need to delete all this for clarity right now. So we could see right here, first things foremost, Dogecoin rallied to this level right here. It didn't actually even come in contact with the 200 and 100 moving average on the 4 hours time frame, which is definitely at 0.2128. We didn't touch it. So I think this is to show that the market is kind of correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going up, every other altcoin follows. So because of that, you could see us dumping. Now we've dumped below this major support right here, which is at 0.2077. There's a possibility that we could still rally much higher to retest this resistance. This is also very much possible, but what we should be expecting is a move down, just in case we can't break above this resistance. We should be expecting a move down right here, find support at 0.1933, then we could think about rallying much higher and breaking above major resistance, finding support and rallying much higher to our next major resistance right here at 0.2496. So this is to be expected from Dogecoin. Worst case scenario is if we we can't break above this resistance right here at 0.2131, we dump all the way to worst case scenario, we dump all the way down to 0.1763, then maybe consolidate within this range and probably dump lower, but I don't see this happening. Yes, I honestly do not see this happening at all, because if we move to the daily time frame right here, though there's also a possibility of this happening, because it all depends on the fundamentals. At the end of the day, everything depends on the fundamentals. So yeah, that is just basically it right now. The news regarding war and the news regarding tariffs. Yes, so due to all this news that is going around, because currently right now in the world there is no peace, especially with the fact that there is the tariff going on. There is obviously no peace right now, because both countries have to make sure that they align with the US tariff in order for there to be peace. And one thing with this tariff is that once this tariff has been implemented and most countries have moved on, it will definitely affect every other companies that they will be dealing with, because if there will be a lot of increase in products A that is going to US, especially it being their major product or their major produce or their major exports, then most importantly, if they'll have to spend extra 10% or 15% importing these particular goods to the US, then there is also a high chance that it will also affect every other country that they will be dealing with. So this will cause a whole lot of stuff. And let's not also forget, a lot of people are saying that the institution won't due to the fact that there is a lot of smart money, because of institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity are kind of coming into the market right now. They are basically the smart money. No, these people also sell. So we should expect that the fact that we are getting a lot of buys from Meta Planets here and there, when the dump is coming, the dump will also be massive. Let's not also forget that we're dealing with human beings right here, and human beings when it comes to this itself, they are just investors. Yes, it's not like it is BlackRock that is just accumulating. No, it is the investors that are that give BlackRock this money to invest in Bitcoin on their behalf or Ethereum on their behalf, that will definitely sell So we should be expecting a very huge dump when the bear market comes. So right now, the fact that we're getting this little percent drop right here, this is still very much okay right here. This is not a sign of bear market. Minus 33% is still okay right now, and I think the market is at the verge of recovering. So yeah, this is just all I can say for now. So worst case scenario, if we expect this move, I would say you should buy the dip, but I'm not expecting this move, honestly. I'm honestly not expecting any crazy dip right now. So yep, without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, do well to subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful week. Peace out.